Welcome to the Churchill Maths website. Whilst our website's had a makeover, we've been writing completely new practice papers, and you can download and use one of these papers now. As with previous specifications, if you purchase our papers, you get access to versions for each of the three main awarding bodies: AQA, OCR, and Edexcel. Our practice papers look just like the real papers that students will sit from 2017. This is important because they can get used to the layout and aspects such as seeing how many marks are available for each question and where they write their answers. The reason hundreds of schools have been using our papers for nearly 10 years is that the questions closely match the style of those set by the boards, and the level of the papers is the same as, or slightly harder than, the real papers. Usually there's some guesswork involved in getting the difficulty just right, as the specimen papers often tend to be too hard. However, there was quite a hoo-ha about the specimens this year, so Ofqual conducted some research analysing the original 9:1 specimens, and as a result they've been adjusted. It's now unlikely that the level of demand of the real papers will be much different from that of the specimens. So we can be more confident that our papers will prepare students for the level of challenge they'll face in their GCSE exam. Our papers are provided in PDF format, and as with previous sets, each one has a marking guide showing worked solutions and mark allocation. There is also a short version which doesn't have space for the students to write their answers in, and that can save significantly on printing costs. As you know, the new Maths GCSE is a lot more challenging. That means it will be more important than ever for students to have worked through a good number of practice papers, as past paper questions cannot prepare them for the new topics or the more demanding approach to problem solving. We believe that our papers provide the best preparation possible. If you'd like to be updated, follow us on Twitter, or you can submit your details via the Keep Me Informed button. And don't forget to download a sample paper before you go. All of this is on our homepage, which is probably where you're viewing this video. But in case not, it's www.churchillmaths.co.uk, and you'll also find details of our other products and how to get in touch with us.